Come on. One more. I like it. What do you throw it? Oh, straight cash. I was going to say. Oh, it sticks.
I think he's cheating. But that's my personal opinion. Virginia, my personal opinion is that I think they're cheating.
It's for all of Asgard.
Oh.
Asgard. Wait, let this guy cross first. Jesus, man.
People, whatever you do, I think that's for little kids.
For Asgard.
Nobody's getting it. Don't get mad. Don't get mad when you can't do it. He's getting mad. No, almost got it.
Go ahead, one more.
He's in your bullseye, it's just not sticking.
Right here. Sammy. Look and see if this hits. No, put up, Grandma. Let's see if this part's hit. We throw it. See if I'm getting this part. You know what I'm talking about, right? Like that? Give it a grab. Let's see if it hits. I love you, Charlie. Stand up.
Yeah, you're doing better than most of the people. It's not really an easy thing to do because of the velcro.
The Velcro's messed up.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it's not sticking here, Nick. It's like getting you mad.
Nope. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Do it lighter, probably.
There you go. You got it too. You got to do it real slow.
You don't have to hit it hard. Just do
You got to do it real slow.
Yeah, relax. You have to be relaxed.
Yeah, you got two of them. See that? Do it real slow. There's got to be a sticking time. There you go. Almost had it.
That's not working.
Yeah.
That's not how you use it. Are you ready?
Yeah, much better.
Gosh, you don't know. There you did it hard! It almost bounced back. I know.
There you go. There you go.
I get it.
Now, yeah, you go slow.
Dude, it's nailing it.
That's too hard. You got to do it slower. You have to get time for the velcro to stick onto the target. Yeah, do it slowly. There you go. There you go. See, right there.
Not better than my bullseye. He was harder.
That's much better. That's better.
You hit the bullseye, but you stopped sticking, so it don't count.
You got to do it slowly. Oh, watch out for the guy's head. See, you got it. He got it again. He got it again.
Alright, I know. You just gotta throw slow.
There you go. You got it again. You got to do it slowly and slowly and softly. There you go. Yeah, slowly and softly.
You got better.
Yeah.
You're not a quarterback.
There you go. You're getting better and better. See? There you go. Yeah. You see? Now, do it slowly.
Everybody in the ice cream truck. We got fans now.
There you go.
The old fucking
Oh.
come up to the gate.
Do it real slow and soft. You gotta give the velcro. All right.
He's alright.
He got it. No, he got it right in the middle. He got it.
Take a picture of it. Take a picture of it. He's the best.
Go ahead.
He's the best. He fucked you up with that bullshit.
I'm at the Twistee Treat ice cream place, water ice place. They have games, and one of the games they have is throwing at the bullseye. No.
Slow motion. Slow motion.
Oh, he missed it completely.
Has to be slow motion round.
No. No, he did better when you were standing up.
Well, he is the legend.
Almost.
Oh, see?
You got it. You got it. You got it.
Bullseye, man.
You got it. You got that. You got it. It's gotta be slow, right? It's gotta be slow and soft.
I think I
It's gotta be slow and soft.
There's one in the corner, man.
It's a secret to everything, I guess.
I'm getting fucking tired.
Nope. There we go.